Yo guys, let me quickly show you how you can earn free money on the world's biggest exchange, Binance, without no capital or any initial investment. All you need is just a Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account, all you need to do right now is to head straight to the comment section or the description of this particular video. I am going to drop a link that you can use to register for you. So after you are done with that, go ahead to verify your account. After then, you head straight to the Binance Academy section, the Learn and Earn section to be precise. I'm going to drop a link to of this particular page for easy access on the comment section or the description of this particular video. So as you can see, earn free crypto through learning. So in this particular program of Binance, you can earn free cryptocurrency by just learning, and you can convert your crypto to your local currency. So all as you can see, we have different sections. You can see ongoing, in which you can go ahead and take a quiz. The task is more of a quiz. You can take a quiz on Solana, you can take a quiz on Archflow, you can take a quiz on Hooks protocol, or any other one that you are interested in. You can even take a quiz on everything. So all you need to do is to head straight to the start learning section, click the button, and then it's going to load a page for you. So on this page right now, you can go ahead to watch this particular video. Now Binance is giving you a question, and you need to answer those particular questions, but they gave you a guide now that you can watch in order for you to answer those particular questions. All you need to do is just to play this video, watch the video, and then head straight to answer the question. But as you can see, there is actually a disclaimer on this particular task. You can see this quiz and reward is only eligible for users who had no staking record before, which means that my account is not eligible because I've once staked on Binance before. So this particular quiz is not for everyone. It's for those people that have not staked on Binance before. So if you have staked, sorry, this particular quiz is not for you. But of course, there are some quiz that anybody can take. Of course, I've taken some quiz before, so you can always check back. So, but if you have not staked on Binance before, just go ahead and take this particular quiz. And for easy access, all right, you have to answer some questions in this particular quiz. If you don't have a staking record, you are going to see where you can take your questions here. But of course, you must have watched this particular video. But just for you to make your journey more easier, okay, I have a particular airdrop group whereby you can be getting answers to all of these questions. So all you need to do is just to come right to this particular place and pick anyone you want to do. There are answers available for this particular quiz. So it's like giving you a sheet, guys. So I'm going to drop a link to the WhatsApp group and airdrop group. It's a free group. So if you're interested in airdrop or any of these things, just go straight to the comment section or description of the particular video. I am going to drop this particular group link there where you can be getting answers to such quiz if there is anyone available any other time. So guys, I believe that this particular video have been helpful in one way or the other. If it did, kindly go ahead, subscribe to this particular channel, and of course give it a like so more people who need it can see it. See you in some other video. Salute.